Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to do an unboxing of my January Petit Vour box. I got my box on Tuesday, January 21st. It came while I was at work, and while I was at work, I came down with a cold. Today's the first day that I have felt like filming, and this is Sunday, January 26th. But I saved my box because I wanted to unbox it for you. Let's get started. Before I get into the January box, I want to give you a review of what came in the December box now that I've had some time to use everything and form some opinions on each product. Here's the December box. And here's the card that came with it. The first thing I want to talk about is this. This is from Kani Botanics. This is the lip and cheek tint. I love this formula. I love this beautiful frosted glass packaging. I love everything I've heard about the brand. What I don't love is this shade. This is a bright fuchsia pink, almost purple shade. And I said in my unboxing, I thought I could sheer it out enough to wear. I was wrong. If I put it on my cheeks, even if I blend it out, it looks like I've been slapped. If I sheer it out enough that I don't look injured, it pretty much has disappeared. So it's a waste of time. If I put it on my lips, the color is really unflattering on my skin tone. And again, if I sheer it out enough to make it wearable, it's pretty much disappeared by then. This is gorgeously pigmented. It's a beautiful product, and it would be a waste in my collection. So I'm going to find one of my cool toned friends who can wear a shade like this, and I'm going to pass it on. Here's the color on my hand, and even there you can see how it clashes with my skin tone. I went on the Kani Botanics website, and they only have 3 shades in this product. None of them would work for me. There's a light pink color, there's this color, and then there's like a bright berry red, all cool tones. If they ever come out with a warm shade in this, I'd like to give it a try, but for now, this one is a pass for me. The next product that was in that December Petit Vour box is this one. This is the Bali Balm Natural Lip Balm. I still have it in the packaging. I talked about in my unboxing how beautiful the package is, and it really is. Here's the balm. It's just a clear balm, but it's nice and thick. It's not at all sticky or gloppy. It's just very rich and nourishing on the lips, and I love the applicator. It has that little tilted applicator that has a hole in the end so that it's really easy to put on. I think this is a beautiful product. I'm happy to have it. Then the next thing that was in that box is this. This is the Highborn Palo Santo and Sandalwood Anointing Oil. It's this little bottle of this. It's a little roll-on. I've heard some people say that they don't like the scent of this, but I think it really is very relaxing. I put it on sometimes in the evenings right before bed when I'm reading, after I've turned off all of my electronics, and I do find the scent to be very soothing and relaxing. Still like it. The last thing in the December box was this. This is from Fifth Dimension. This is their Sub Rosa Serum. And as you can see, I have gotten a good amount of use out of this. This is a facial oil, and a little bit of facial oil goes a long way. So I think it's pretty impressive that I've used that much already. It's a beautiful oil. I like to put a couple of drops of face oil in my moisturizer and put it on that way, and this one works beautifully that way. It blends really well with my moisturizer and just glides across the skin. It sinks in beautifully. It doesn't leave any oily, greasy feel on my skin at all. It's very light but nourishing. I'm just really impressed with it. I'm so happy to have it. So 3 of the 4 products in that December box were successes for me, and then the 4th one is a beautiful product that just doesn't work for me. I think that for a first subscription box, this was a huge success. Now, let's get to the January box. I've already cut away the tape, and because this box has been out for a while, I have seen some reviews of these products already, but I do want to tell you what I think about them first impressions. I've learned that even if you've seen these products in other videos, when you actually get to hold them and feel them, that's totally different. The first thing in here is one that I've heard a lot of buzz about. It's this. This is, let me get my glasses, the Fit Glow Beauty Good Lash Mascara. This retails for $38. It says it is a multitasking mascara that amplifies lash length and volume. Plant protein and botanical extracts nourish lashes and promote growth, helping lashes grow thicker, denser, and fuller. I wish. I hope it does all that. I have very thin, short, fine lashes, so they definitely can use a little extra help. The tube on this is gorgeous. That's what I keep looking at. It's got some etching here on the side, on this metal part. It's got a really pretty flower here. It's nice and heavy. This is an expensive mascara. $38 is a lot more than I've ever spent for a mascara. I think the most I've ever spent was maybe $28 or $29. I'm not sure how much the Hourglass Caution mascara costs, and can't remember exactly how much the Ilia Limitless Lash costs, but anyway, this is by far the most I would have ever spent on a mascara. I didn't spend that on it because it came in my subscription box, but it's still pricey. We'll see what I think of it. I'll let you know. I hope I love it. I kind of hope I don't love it since it's so expensive, but we'll see. I want to give it a try. I have yet to find my Holy Grail mascara. I've been on a search for a while now, so if I fall in love with this one, I probably will pay $38 for it. Next product in the box is this. It is the Absinthe, the Green Fairy Hand and Lip Balm. This says that you save dry hands and lips with this Salvation Balm. This non-greasy formula includes castor oil, shea, and cocoa butter, and candelilla wax to moisturize and nourish skin, leaving it silky smooth with a hint of peppermint. And this retails for $18. It's a pretty box. Ooh. And it's pretty on the inside too. Has this little fairy on it. It's really gorgeous. It's metal, little tin, and really pretty little fairy on it. I'm so impressed with the packaging of pretty much everything I've gotten from Petit Vour so far. Let's see. This seems really hard pressed in the pan. See if I'm getting anything. Oh, it does smell really good. It smells like peppermint, but not too minty. It's like a creamy peppermint smell. Very nice. Okay, yeah, that is definitely moisturizing. I guess I was getting more out of there than I thought it was, and it's not at all greasy. It's very light. I really think I'll like this on the lips too. I'm not going to try it today, but I'll let you know what I think. Seems to be the season for lip balms. I got one in the last box and in this one, but that's okay. Even though we don't have the cold weather here in San Diego that the rest of the country has, we definitely have the super dry air, so I can use all the lip balm I can get my hands on. Next thing in this box is from Aether Beauty. This is a single eyeshadow. It says, enhance your natural beauty with the power of crystals. Pigments of topaz, amethyst, and other crystals eliminate the eyes, while coconut oil and shea butter create a smooth, buttery texture for one swipe application. I do have an Aether Beauty eyeshadow palette. I have the Crystal Grid Gemstone palette, which took me forever to get that name straight. And I do love that palette, so I've been impressed with Aether Beauty so far. See if it has what the shade name of this is. It doesn't say on the little card here. I think it's because different people got different colors. This is Solar Eclipse. And this looks, on first glance, like a really pretty color. Oh, it is. This is nice. See, that is a really pretty, kind of a peachy, neutral, golden color, right up my alley. They read my mind. They knew exactly the color to send me. This is what I really love, especially in the spring and summer. So I'll be getting some nice use out of this one. Let me swipe it for you. Do a little swatch. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a beautiful peachy golden color. I hope that shows up on camera. That is very, very, very pretty. And I want to show you this because I couldn't figure this out when I would see other unboxings. It looked like it was just like a flat shadow on the cardboard here. And I was like, how are you going to get any use out of that? But it's not. It's an actual little metal pan attached to the card. So this is a single shadow. It's really, really cool. Love that. Very happy to have that. Then the last thing in this box is from Andalo Naturals, Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Vegan probiotics gently remove makeup and impurities, rinse away dull surface cells, and balancing skin. Apricot and borage oils rejuvenate dehydrated skin for a fresh, glowy complexion. That sounds nice. I am very happy with the cleansers I'm currently using. I rotate my 3 Jordan Samuel cleansers in my routine. But cleansers, that's one thing I don't mind trying another one. I don't feel like cleansers are going to disrupt my skincare routine, have any effect on the other products in my skincare routine. So I'm willing to give this one a try and see what I think of it, and I'll let you know. Oh, and I don't think I told you the price of the cleansing milk. This is $3 for this size container. That's it. That's everything in my January Petit Vour box. I have a facial cleanser, a new mascara to try, a beautiful single shadow, and a lip and hand balm. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'll give you a review of these and let you know what I've thought of them when I do my unboxing of my February box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscription button down below and ring the notification bell next to that so that you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.